Hi, well, we're going to talk about exotic food in Australia. First, I'm going to talk about the Vegemite. The Vegemite is kind of a soy sauce that is used in sandwiches, in a lot of food in Australia. Is very high in sodium, so a lot of people say that it is disgusting and that it doesn't really taste good, but it is popular in New Zealand and Australia. And it's similar to a soy sauce, and its flavor is like personally I have tried it and it is like very weird and salty.
Yeah, well, second, I'm going to talk about the kangaroo. This animal is native of Australia, and it's used in some in some cities to make different dishes. Uh, uh, they use the meat like fried sometimes, or it can be in cook only and in sticks. And also, they use the tail of the animal to do a kind of soup. The people prefer this because it's low in cholesterol and in fat, and it's high in protein. And it is said that it's like chewy when it's cooked. I will try it just because the experience, but I feel like bad because it's an animal and it's like only in that country. But I will try it.
Also, another animal that is really consumed is like a larva. It is called the witchy grubs. They grow in the roots of a specific tree called well, it is a bush, so it is called Echia campera, and in this bush, women and children from ethnic cities, they like dig in the ground and they extract the little larvae, so they will eat them raw or cook them in a little bit of oil and salt, and they will like snack on them. So I think that it is really weird because personally I really don't like the idea of eating bugs, but it is like a very common dish in Australia. Also, it is low in fat, and people use them like a companion for another meal.
Well, finally, there is another animal that is the emu. It's one of the most exotic dishes in Australia, and it has many ways to be cooked. But the main ones are like fillets, and the other one are like in jerks. And people said that it's really delicious, and it's not, and it's eaten in many parts of the country, and it is said that is for adventurous ones, so I probably will try it too.